Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. Mushrooms are slowly making way into every traditional Indian kitchen. A lot can be done with these soft and power-packed veggies. They're rich in fiber and vitamin B, and that actually helps your digestion, nourishes your skin and hair. Today, in our special recipe, we are going to use Nutralite-Garlic Oregano, which happens to be zero cholesterol and is rich in omega-3. It's also great for your brain, heart and eyes. So let's start making our stuffed portobello mushrooms. Grease the pan with some garlic oregano, Nutralite. Just add a bit of salt. I prefer using sea salt. And some pepper. In the meanwhile, हम mixture तैयार करते हैं. We use half a diced capsicum, 2 spring onions, 4 or 5 cherry tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of freshly ground whole wheat breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. And just mix it all in. Add a bit of salt. Mushrooms को दोनों साइड पे at least 4 मिनट तक पकाइए. Add a bit more of the Nutralite. If you like your mushrooms spicy, you can use green or red chilies, but I'm using just a bit of cayenne pepper. Quarter teaspoon, just to add a bit of a kick. Now we add around 2 teaspoons of garlic oregano Nutralite, which I've melted. Make sure that your oven is already preheated. And now mushrooms are ready. Just brush the tray with some Nutralite, garlic and oregano. Take your mushrooms. Now we just put this in the oven for around 10 minutes at 180 degrees. Our oven is already preheated. Ten minutes are up. Yum! Some parsley. Yum, they look so pretty. You have to try this recipe out, and trust me, you will totally impress people. I've used portobello mushrooms, but if you can't find them, you can also substitute it with, capsicum, shimla mirch, or even those big tomatoes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.